21st century and where we stand and its importance. I'll cite you two different things which will reflect for you the importance of this particular topic and the need for increasing regional trade from our point of view, i.e. the government of Prime Minister Imran Khan and PTI. When we wrote the manifesto of the party, I remember this was 2013, this is the first time the party was going in to participate in a very big manner. In the elections, we ended up forming the government in one of the provinces also. We had identified what the key growth drivers for Pakistan's economy could be. And we had three different growth drivers identified there. One of them was regional trade. That's how central we believe it is to the future prospects and the prosperity of the people of Pakistan and of the people of the region. Then a few months back, I presented as planning minister, I made a presentation to what is called the National Defense Council. It has all the top national leadership of the country in it. And I laid out for them what our vision was for increased connectivity, both south-north, starting from Gwadar, going up north, and east-west connectivity. And in our opinion, there are significant decisions that need to be taken to fully utilize this trade potential in terms of creating an infrastructure of connectivity, which would include, of course, road linkages, rail linkages, air linkages, fiber optic cables running through the system, but also the software of connectivity, the ease of travel from one country to another, the visa regimes which are applied for the members or the citizens of these countries, and particularly the business people of these countries. And if we are able to do that, we will be able to lift the people in this region and provide them the prosperity that each one of us aspires for and that they deserve. Unfortunately, our region has one of the lowest intra-regional trade connectivity in the world. In fact, it is the lowest. This is the lowest regional connectivity, regional trade of any region in the world, and that's one of the reasons why we're not being able to live up to our full potential, and hence the importance of today's session. So what I will be hoping for is that this will not just be another conference, that at the end of the sessions we will have very specific, very tangible, actionable recommendations coming from the parliamentarians, which can be put in front of the executives of each country, and where legislation is required in front of the legislatures of each country, so that we stop talking about the theoretical potential of what can be done and start making that potential happen in reality. So with those opening remarks, I will hand over the dais, if I may say so. I don't know whether physically we're using a dais or not, to Shandana Gulzar. Over to you, Shandana.